Somebody's following me. So
see the Wizard of CN Tower.
Going to the CN Tower, which is
The National Tower.
and one of the tallest towers in the world.
One of them.
So ready to go up high?
So, do you have your passport?
I don't have my passport. How does this feel?
I don't know. Not very trustworthy.
It's a bit weird walking here. How you doing?
Any fear eyes up there?
Not anymore.
Not anymore, but it is pretty vertigo-y.
Where's the glass floor?
Oh, we're like another 30 stories above that.
Oh.
Like if you look down, like what you see right there, that's the big middle section. We're in a section above that.
Oh shit, I don't think I've ever been up there.
Yeah, we're in a sky pod.
So that's where we were. Look at that.
I'd be able to get myself out of there. It was just a matter of principle. A few people tried to talk to me about it, but I was too proud.
Fuck, I can't drive out.
to accept any sort of help. When I called
You need the car.
I was just
We'll go
looking
back
for some
when we get
advice, but they helped me out a great deal. I was able to get hackers and friends to pay my debts.
Hold on.
Now I live happily within my means.
What did you do?
You dropped your credit card.
55 video or visit debtsolutions.video.ca or
Whether you love to travel or have plans for an active summer,
First he doesn't have a card,
better it will be.
then he tries to get me bankrupt.
Contact lenses.
I throw my card away.
Set your sights on
Them damn Polish, they're all the same.
book your free, no obligation.
So Oscar, where are we going now?
Kensington Market, the hippie area of Toronto.
What can I expect?
I haven't been in a while, but some flavor to the city, otherwise square.
All right. I think these vlogs look like they're sponsored by Operus now.
Yeah, every product placement. Yeah. Just walking around.
got the blue banana, which is kind of a gag store thing. Get some socks, some Deadpool socks and some Batman socks, which have a special added thing, so I'm gonna show you later. Can I get socks as well, Wojtek?
You know, Mike Myers Halloween socks?
Not bad.
Yeah.
How about these?
Yeah, we can find gubernator socks.
Yeah, so apparently I was being a bit American. There was some food that I read it as gubernator. So I asked Oscar, should we get some gubernator? And how is it supposed to be pronounced?
Gobernador.
So yeah, did it again. This is not the first time.
Frank Castle, careful where you point that thing. Does it have a scope? Is it a Nerf gun? I hope it's a Nerf gun. Ow! He got me! Mr. Stark, I don't feel so good. Oh, hold on. Oh, crap. This is bad. I'm bleeding. That bell. Mr. Stark, are you there? Oh, it's too late.
Have a good day, man.
Iron Man.
Have a good day, buddy.
Get the Avengers to going.
Yep. So that was Spider-Man. Oh,
Stark,
Iron Man.
you haven't watched Endgame? Well, I was gonna say.
Have you guys watched Endgame? Yeah, so that was Canadian Spider-Man. That was actually quite a great actor. Voice actor.
Yeah, he sounds like the guy.
Were you happy with him?
Yeah, I familiar with it. It's the exact same thing.
Oh, you got something as well?
I don't feel so good. Oh, hold on. Oh, crap. This is bad. I'm bleeding. That bell. Ta-da!
What you got there?
It's my new Batman socks.
You got capes.
Distillery District. One of the European-looking places in Toronto. Or, I don't know how old.
What can we expect to see?
Old buildings and some nice coffee. And normal, regular people cooking.
It's as big as your head.
I love it.
This is my cookie.
Thought it'd be soft.
Yeah, me too. It's really hard.
Been sitting there for a week. No, maybe it's supposed to be that way.
Fine.
Yeah.
Even when it's like raw salad.
The name of the place.
Ball sacks. As in a sack of balls.
Time to get some poutine.
La poutine. Oh.
So what is it?
It is fries, gravy, and cheese curds.
Alright, let's see how they
It's cock.
cock. How is it?
Alright.
First try.
Putin. It's good.
It's hard to go wrong, you know, like.
It's not many ingredients.
I approve. Ah, poutine was nice. Very nice. JJ still enjoying his.
Yep, still working on it.
Oscar finished his burger.
I made a mistake.
Too heavy.
I should have gotten the poutine.
Is there a response?
How do you pronounce poutine?
Putin.
Poutine.
It was really good. I am officially a fan of poutine. Should have bought a bigger one.
Maybe later.
Maybe I can get one at the airport. So, before we leave, JJ, what can you tell us about Canadian metal scene?
Well, you've seen for yourself. I mean, I think we got a pretty good scene here. It's very diverse. A lot of extreme metal, but also a lot of niche stuff. Toronto was great for that because I think we have a little bit of everything. Like we went to that death metal show on a Tuesday in a 700 capacity venue and it was full. So pretty proud about the Canadian metal scene right now. And speaking of proud of our Canadian metal battle winners, the Slide, which are well, they're pretty different. They're very unique in the sense that it's kind of like melodic prog metal. I think it sounds very Canadian because the singer's got a bit of that Geddy Lee voice going on, and there's keyboards and some very cool harmonies between the lead guitar and the keyboards during the soloing. I think that's probably one of my favorite aspects about the band, but they're super tight, and yeah, curious to see how they're gonna do at Wacken. But yeah, Canadian metal forever.
Touchtimer siden så var man i København. Jeg var oppe i 28 timer og klart, jeg er lei. Så jeg er alltid bare direkte sång. Det finnes leie med kamera. Så det gjør simpelthen ikke at færre. Jeg gjør noe i København.